All right, it's the next day. For me, it's been like 18 hours. For you, it's been 2 seconds. Let's see if this muffler weld worked on this Jeep. Hold on. All right, so we're gonna attempt to fix this muffler with this muffler weld stuff. I don't think it's gonna work. It's a pretty big split on this thing, so I don't really think it's gonna work. All right, so I'm actually gonna follow the directions. It says to scrape this down. I've got two splits. I've got one here, which actually goes, well, that goes pretty far. It's pretty much the entire muffler. So this isn't really gonna work, but we already wasted $7 on muffler weld, so we're gonna give it a whirl. Scrape this down. Down as you saw, so now we're just wetting it all down here just to provide more rust, and it says to liberally apply it. So here goes nothing. I don't think it's gonna work, but you never know, it may work. Can't really see what I'm doing here. I'm wearing gloves and the whole 9 yards. It's a little bit more watery than I expected, I have to say. Just trying to get through this month here, so pretty much used this one up, about half of a little tub here. But I think we're gonna let this dry overnight. Then we'll revisit this in the morning. We did. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't know how you're supposed to know if you totally seal it or not. All right, it's the next day. For me, it's been like 18 hours. For you, it's been 2 seconds. Let's see if this muffler weld worked on this Jeep. Hold on. Let's see what happened here. You guys see that at all? All right, let's fire it up. Well, that was a pretty quick experiment, and we got some pretty quick results. That muffler weld did not work on the seam of the muffler. So, I guess that means we need a new muffler. Fun. All right, this Jeep's gonna kill me. But there you go, muffler weld cannot seem to fix a giant, I don't know, 12-inch blowout in your muffler. So, I hope this helps. Save yourself $8. Don't buy this stuff because it didn't really work for me. I'm not even sure why it didn't work. I don't even think it dried, to be honest with you. It's still kind of wet, but it's been 18 hours, so I'm not sure what that's all about. But it didn't work, so I think this experiment's done. All right, so that stuff doesn't work. So we got a new MagnaFlow stainless steel muffler